Kate here with WTI, and with colder weather on its way, you want to make sure that your pet is as cozy as you are. This jacket from Lelepet is such a favorite in our house. Not only do we love it, but so does our dog. It is so nicely padded and comfy. So the chest and back is really thick, so it keeps them nice and warm. It's wind resistant, water resistant, weatherproof, which are all the things you're looking for in a winter jacket. It's really nicely quilted as well, very well made. Love that the entire thing is fleece lined, so cozy. And then of course it has the reflective strip around the neck. This is awesome for when it's dark out so you can spot your dog. It has toggles around the neck if you want to tighten that up. It goes on so easily. It opens up completely. They step into it and then you zip it across the top. Really, really simple. My dog has no issue wearing it. In fact, I think he really loves it. He always lays down and cozies up when he's got this on. The top has the rings so you can attach their leash directly to that. The underside has a lot of room so they can easily use the washroom. I probably could have gone up a size. We got the size medium. It fits him really great everywhere, but he does have a long body. So depending on that, they provide all the measurements so you can go based on that. Really, really nice fit though. They have lots of colors. I love this neon green color. I can spot my dog from a mile away, so I really like this, but they have all sorts of different designs. But overall, we're really happy with this dog jacket. Toby's a big fan and so are we, and I think you will be too, and that's my point of view.